Welcome back class 3 to Green Hill Public School online teaching. We will continue with chapter number 1 operating system, which we haven't completed. We'll try to complete it this week. Karma sa akan lo tranto operating system lesson number 1 ka win akan chunzom lenga win hian lesson number 1 hi complete tram kan tum don nia. Karma sa khan Microsoft Windows 10 kha kan zir a chuan desktop le icons vel kha folders ti vel te kan zir a chuan turkar a hian start button in kan thonang. Okay, start button. You will see the start button on the left corner of the taskbar. Clicking the start button will display a start menu and a tile-based start screen. Some of the tiles are called live tiles as they take information and keep on updating the information. For example, news and weather tiles give updated information. Make sure the computer is connected to the internet. You can configure the content of the start screen by adding, removing, resizing, and grouping tiles. Ole desktop kha karma sakan icons vel kha kan zir to a chon taskbar kha kan zir kan englo kan en to buka chuan heta taskbar khan left corner veilam corner hnuaiah khan start button kha omta ni start button khan in start button in hne khan programs hrang aron chuak ta aron pop up ta applications te chuan khang zinga khan tiles an omta ni khang ho tiles ti an ta ni khang ho tiles a khan live tiles te an oma live tiles ti omzia chu internet atanga information tikhan ain update ring awangin engtik lai po in internet ne na in zoom ring awangin live tiles continue tile live continue san chu anung reng ti na ang deu ni chu chuan tiles kan ti na chan hi enge kan ti chuan ina te po chhuata te banga te tiles kan huta khating ang a box te ang khan tiles figure ang deu khan awm awangin tiles ti in kan ko ta mai ni ti chuan live tiles hi hmangtang kai tur chuan computer hi internet connection om reng angai ti kha hriat angai buka ti chuan khami start button in hmia start screen na ron chhuak khan khami screen a khan tiles ho kha in da bel theya in la chhuak theya chuan a group pon in da theya chuan enge in resize thei buka a size khain thlak thei buka in do ang khan kha start button a ani ti chuan the start menu is located on the left side of the screen. It has some buttons on the left and all the application programs arranged alphabetically on the right. Picture hian in hua hey ta hian start button chu omani hey hi start button ti chuan tiles kan ti chu helama mi zong hi hey square le rectangular shape om ho hi hang applications ho hi tiles an em wangin tiles ti a ko ve me ni ta computer po ni ma se amor chu me baka excuse me in du lo application kha in la chuak theya in du zo kha in da bel thei boka in da bel thei ada bel thei bok ani ti kha in lo theu don nia. To open any application, just click it. Khagan may. All some to turn a application in do zo kha antenna kita kian Farmville te oma ki picture kian Netflix te oma card game te oma indu ber khati khan mouse khan click to khani me ni in click nga application kha in hong hal mayang tiang khan ti chuan amasa khan ti taskbar khan kan soi to ang khan an hoi khan start button te oma chuan enge file explorer te oma ti chuan task view te le a te khan om nol ta tuna hian file explorer hi kan lo en chianga nga Working with files. The File Explorer shortcut is available on the taskbar. The icon looks like a folder. You can click the File Explorer button to manage your files and folders. Kan soi to ang khan File Explorer kami a shortcut a khat chu heta hnuai bera I taskbar khan a ve a tel ve ani ti chuan a icon a khat chu a hriat than na tura a picture a kami a File Explorer a hriat than na tur picture khat chu hei folder pangai ang top hian a ang ta ni omje chu anin ang deuh reng ta ni folder pangai nen hian chuan kami File Explorer kha in hon chuan tunami heta Windows screen a in mu hemi screen ang hian hei hi File Explorer chu ni hemi screen hi aron lang don ani ti chuan File Explorer kan zo chuan computer settings tlem zong hriat a tul via chung te chu hemi hian adjust settings a hian kan enanga to change settings of the computer click the setting button. The setting window appear. Windows computer setting in thak do chuan setting button in metanga ti chuan a setting screen kha a window kha aron in hongdon ani setting window kan ti chuan enge niang le tunami screen aron lang me khi hemi var chung om hi windows setting hi setting window screen chu ani ti chuan heta tang hian computer setting sang te in thlak thei ta khi time te apps te system te antinan computer network a thalo mo internet in connect helo mo engemo te ani chuan engting tiang henga te hian network and internet a ten enanga personalization a chuan in desktop wallpaper te khateng sang in thlak danglam theina tur khatiang te kha chuan in account te time te connection to phone te chuan heng ho zong hi computers settings chu ani ta ni in hmandu dana zirin in thlak thei don ani hemi tang hian ti chuan settings si khui tangin nge kan luang kan ti chuan a hmami tho kha start button na tang khan kan en chinang ta hian in computer screen a khan start button in me khan he ta hian helai mi hi hi setting button chu ni hi in me chuan in me velia hemi screen setting screen hi aron lang don ani let chuan adot lea kan kalanga chu shutting down your computer. To shut down the computer, click power shut down. Ti chuan computer in off don chuan in man zo to hnu in off don chuan start button a tho khan in het lenga in desktop screen a khan hemi start button a in metanga ti chuan power button a hian in het lenga power button zo a hian shut down here on don ni shut down a hian in het lenga chuan heta hian options dang te po ama sleep te ama restart te po ting khan amara chuin shut down do chuan shut down na click mai tur khani chuan hemi dota le hian we'll go to searching for files and application programs. To search for any file or program, click inside the Cortana search box and type the name of the file or program you want to search. Computer a engemaw file ama program mo in zando chuan Cortana search box a khan in mouse khan in click anga tuta chuan chumi search box a chuan in du zong kha in chhulu tanga in type anga in zong don ani antinan computer a khan stick war games kha lo om ta se mulok thei si lowa ani chuan search box a khan stick war ti di type anga enter in hetanga ti chuan computer in stick war ti kha zong chuak mai don ani ol samte in khatian nangma a mouse ne na ihme kwala izon kwala ha chuan computer in ol samte in azon sak don cheni chu chuan chuti chuan chumi search box chu enge kan ti chuan Cortana search box kan ti ta a chuan enge Cortana hi enge ni lo enang it is a voice controlled virtual assistant. To set up Cortana, follow the steps. Cortana chu hemi search box a hian manually in keyboard mangin in type in chulu tang en zong thei boka chon in open mishing biak pa ngai ang hian in order thei ni entirnan in computer a khan microphone amo atel chuan ani lo pon headphone te mic tel ang chi hrim hrim te kha in nei chuan khang te kha in vo anga ti chuan Cortana hi in command thei ni. So number 1, press the window logo key plus S simultaneously to open Cortana. Click the notebook button underneath the house icon on the left side of the screen. Click settings. Click on off switch under the Hey Cortana's heading. If your computer has a microphone, then activate Cortana by saying Hey Cortana and say whatever you want to search. The picture below shows weather outside. You can instruct Cortana to find the meaning of word, find directions to a place, or do simple calculations. If your computer does not have a microphone, you can search for any information by typing in the Cortana search box and pressing enter. Ti chuan Cortana hi kan hman don chuan ting kan hmanang kan ti chuan keyboard a khan Windows key khami start key ang deuh khami logo a khan keyboard ami kha Windows key kha in metanga chumi rual chuan S in met kopanga Windows le S kha ti chuan Cortana window kha aron in hong don ani ti chuan chumi Cortana window chuan tin nge niang ta hen kan en chiang don ne ale ti chuan Cortana window kha aron in hong anga ti chuan aron in hon nuwa heta hian home key hi in press anga in press zo a mouse in press ti chu in select anga in select zo nuwa hemi window hi aron lang lenga adotami hi Cortana setting a hian chuan hemi Cortana setting atang hian Cortana mic in nei chuan hei hi in on anga hemi hi let Cortana respond to Hey Cortana or hei hi Cortana in command theina tur entinan Apple at chuan Siri in bia chuan Android phone at hian Google at chuan hello Google kha kan ti mai ta ni khatien command kha khatien ang chi kha ni ta ni ti chuan khi in on anga in on nuwa chuan mouse le keyboard po khoi ngai to lowin Cortana hi hemi computer assistant hi kau chhuak anga chuan aron chhang ve to mai don che ni amaro chu internet lampang thil khoi angai chuan internet connection in nei angai ti kha hriat tur ania chuan soi to angkhan khami switch kha in on off anga heta hian Hey Cortana heading khami switch screen na kha ni ta ni chuan if your computer has a microphone in nei chuan then activate by saying Hey Cortana or Hey Cortana tila ti chuan aron nung mai don ni Cortana kha ti chuan du khai zot thei to ta ni tu na hian kan in atanga school thleng hi km kilometer engza nge bazar thleng hi kilometer engza nge tunge khovela tlam chak ber ti te eng planet nge lian ber ti te khatiang te kha in zot treu the ni ti chuan Cortana khan aron internet atangin zonga nga ti chuan aron chhang mai don che uni in kom ngei do phei chuan in khar khi phun lai te ni box sia thian po ngai loin ina ti khan ni leng in kom thei don ani mouse le keyboard po hman ngai lo re ti khan thut na thunga khumai thunga khumatang khan du kha izot thei don ani ti khan entirnan tuna te po kan zir lai Cortana hena hian what is an operating system ti te kha in zot theya ti khan operating system omzia te kha aron hril vek don che uni mo chuan amaro chu englo microphone kha in nei si lo kha chuan search box a khan keyboard manga in question zo na zo du zo kha in chut lu angai don ani ve thung ta tunami hi heta asirami hi example ania I thei hi weather tikhala life in aron pe ni heng te hi mo om zia bera chu internet connection nei nge angai ti na ni chu ti chuan I atop bera tan task view a kan lut le ang task view po hi task button at bar a tho om ta ti chuan click the task view button to the right of the Cortana search box. It displays all the active applications on the desktop. To close the file or application, point to the thumbnail and then click the close button that is indicated by X on the upper right corner. To switch to a specific window, click the thumbnail. Thumbnail kan ti chu tuna khita picture ron lang khi a full screen chen isi lo picture te ro te ron lang ho hi heng ho hi thumbnail kan ti ni heng ho zong hi thumbnail ve kan ni ti chuan thumbnail hi in close du chuan heta hi chuan aron lang chiang lova right corner kil tina hian ti chuan heng thumbnails zong hi khoi training nge aron chua kan ti chuan heta task view button kha kan me wang ani task view button kha khoya nge om kan ti chuan helai mi te ro te hi hei hi Cortana search box chu hei hi ni ta Cortana search box chuan task view button chu hemi hi ani hei hi in metanga computer a in thil hon lai zong entir nan hlai lo ngai thla mo le lama picture I lo enamo le lama Google I lo hongamo thil I lo download amo khating ho zong kha task view button in me hian thumbnail angin hiteng khian tero te in aron chuak vek don an ting hian aron in represent chuak vek don ani mo ti chuan that is the way to take out thumbnail to your desktop. Okay, and to switch to a specific view, click the thumbnail chuan en du zok kha khoi du zok kha khami thumbnail chunga khan mouse in click topanga ti chuan screen a khan aron in no khatle don ani mo so that is the function and use of the task view that is from the task bar le ti khan lesson 1 chu kan zo chu ani a assignment hi kar ron pe don chewa assignment hi a om dua langa chu in thiam angin in ron changanga Google Classroom a in ron submit khan khami answer kha aron submit to te email ID a box khan in inbox a khan card top lama answer kha in dong don ani mo Google Classroom a ron submit lo te khatiang te in om kha chuan answer kha in dong ve don lo ani chu aron submit ho chaw khan answer kha weekend a Saturday amo Sunday vela ti khan in inbox a in Gmail inbox a aron lut don ti na ni chu teng chuan answer kha in lo en thin don ya okay students that's all for now I'll see you in the next class